In this section, let's see how to hot plug CPU and memory resources into a running VM using Ansible automation platform and the Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization collection. As you know, hot plugging is the ability to add or remove hardware resources such as CPU and memory to a running VM without requiring a reboot. This capability is critical for dynamic workloads, allowing you to scale resources based on demand while minimizing downtime. When you launch a VM on OpenShift Virtualization, you have an option of either using instance types or you can directly specify VM resources. Instance types are reusable objects in OpenShift Virtualization that define the resources and characteristics of VMs. Instance types simplify resource management by enabling consistent configuration across VMs, making them the recommended approach for hot plugging resources. In this demo, we'll use both methods of hot plugging VM resources. Let's start with the recommended method of using instance types. When we run this task from Ansible, we will specify the new instance type of the VM. So this is the job template to hot plug or VM using instance types. We are specifying the new instance type for the VM as U1 2x medium. Let's see what it currently is configured as. So our VM is a U1 small. Let's run the job and observe the change. The job is complete and you can see the instance type has updated. The legacy method involves directly modifying the VM spec file to update CPU and memory resources. While this approach is flexible, it lacks the reusability and consistency offered by instance types, making it less ideal for managing resources across multiple VMs. Here we are specifying the name of the VM and updating the VM spec for CPU and memory. Let's see what the VM currently looks like. It has 1 CPU and 2 gig memory. Let's run the job template and see the change. And we can see the CPU and memory specs for our VM have changed.